What's up, y'all? I'm KADIJAH Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another headband wig unit that I want to share with you guys. This wig is from Wiggins Hair. It is a 24-inch loose wave headband wig and it is highlighted. So this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it kind of has like just a slight highlighted effect to it. And the hair is actually like kind of a brown. So I was kind of thinking like, how am I gonna make this work for my hair? But I feel like it's gonna work. The curls are super nice, you know, that nice loose wave look. I've already washed the wig and everything like that, and it's nice and soft. So if you haven't seen a headband wig video before, I'll go ahead and show you guys the construction of the wig. So basically, it's just like a unit, and it has a headband across the front. Of course, you're gonna need something to attach it. It has the Velcro here, and then the other piece where you know, connect it. So yeah, within the wig, it just looks like this. There's 3 clips on the top, and then you have the 2 clips on the bottom. And it's just like clip-ins, like for clip-in extensions when you just clip them in your hair. Well, you just gonna clip this in your hair. So yeah, like that's the construction and what everything's looking like. So I'm about to go ahead and put it on. So for this installation of the headband wig, I'm actually gonna try using a wig cap again. I think it might stay on my hair better this time. I braided my hair into 2 plaits going back, and I have a middle part. So I think this is gonna do pretty good. Usually with wig caps, I like to have one that's closest to my scalp color, but y'all know, we're not using no lace, no frontal, no closure. So it doesn't really matter. You can use a black wig cap, don't matter. So I'm just gonna put this on. I wanna put it to like a size where, you know, where I want the headband to go. So we got that. And now it's just as simple as sliding this bad boy on, you know what I'm saying? So it's usually best to kind of start from the back and scoop it up over. And I try to make sure I get it pretty centered. You have to take your time with this because sometimes these clips can get caught on your hair, like mine is doing a little bit right now. So I just clipped the ones in the top. I don't think it's like super necessary to clip the ones in the back, but I mean, I do sometimes. Actually, this is kind of very close. I want my edges to be out, so I'm about to move it back a little bit. Once I have everything in place, I'm gonna go ahead and secure the back. Couldn't get my words out. Bring it back here. And the other side goes behind the ear. All right, so this is what everything is looking like. I kind of want to hide where the part is because, I don't know. I think it doesn't need a part. Just let my edges be out, because I did them good, you know what I'm saying? Now that we have the hair on, it's already looking cute. I'm looking a little too basic, so I need to put my earrings on. All right, there we go now. So this is what the unit's looking like. Like I was saying, I didn't know if it was gonna blend very well, but I think it looks pretty good. Cause this color is kind of like a dark brown and my hair is black, but it looks very good because it's like a dark brown. So it still looks really nice. But yeah, like I said, you can definitely just go ahead and wear this out, especially if you just need to go do something real quick. Don't nobody need to be all up in your head like that. But I'm saying like it look cute like this anyway, so period. But of course, we got some headbands that I want to share with y'all. So this headband is giving me very much chill vibes, you know, chilling at the house. So let me go ahead and give y'all that vibe real quick. So yeah, this headband is giving me very much chilling at the house. Your boo finna come over, or you gotta run to the grocery store real quick and you need to be cute. So let's put it in a ponytail. Now this headband here gives me very much church vibes. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Church vibes, interview, business casual, that type of vibe. Now, because a headband like this has such a small back to it, I probably would wear this one when my hair is down because the back of this would still show. And I want to make sure that's like covered up and it still looks, you know, well put together, undetectable. You ain't gonna know that, you know, this is a wig. So this next band is very fun. It's like a leopard cheetah print. This one here. And this one gives me vibes of hanging out with the girls night, going to the club, going to a lounge, going to a kickback, you know. Now, for those of you that may be wondering, you know, my edges, they really ain't there. You know, I don't want to be showing my edges, anything like that. You definitely could still rock the headband wig. With some of the units, you can definitely pull it up further and the band will cover your edges. Or you can use the headbands that come with them or your own headband to cover up your edges. Like with this one, this headband is mad thick and like my edges are pretty much covered. So you can definitely still rock this if your edges are like gone or they're thinning, balding, anything like that. You can definitely still rock the headband wig. Now y'all, this last headband is mad cute. I can't wait to try it on. So this last headband is giving birthday, is giving queen. So it's this headband here. And it's like, I don't know what you would call these. Rhinestones? I don't know, it's just popping. So we just gonna plop this headband on. I don't know how much of the black band it's gonna cover, but let's see. So it actually covers the black band pretty well. And it looks like this. Something like that. Oh yes, okay. So I just want to quickly kind of show you guys what it looks like in the back, just so you'll know why I was saying you want to cover it up. So it basically looks like this. Hope y'all can see it. Like this whole rest of the headband is back here. So you want to cover this up. I hope y'all can see this. Blending. Now, if you're worried about your natural hair not blending with the wig, I just want to let you know that you can definitely just slick it back as best as you can. But if you feel like that just ain't working for you, you can put on the headband, pull it down as far as you want it to go to cover up your natural hair or your edges or anything like that. It definitely works for everybody. Like, I don't think I could say just how innovative this is. Like, I just keep thinking like, this is just really, really fire. Like, really. If you guys are feeling this wig, or if you want to check out anything else within Wiggins website, I will have those links down below. And check down there as well for discount and coupon codes. Out of all of the headbands, like, y'all, I really like this one. I had to put it back on. Like, this one is so cute. It is super cute, and I feel like it just goes really nice with this wig too. And another thing when it comes to the headband wigs, if you're someone who has like a buzz cut, you don't really have any hair at all, you can still wear the headband wig. Like, I just feel like anybody can wear this. As far as the clip-ins, if you have nothing to clip it to, take the clip-ins out and still just hook the band in the back. You can sew in an elastic strap even if you wanted to. So this headband thing going on, it definitely can work for anybody. So with that being said, I think that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Turn on your post notifications as well. Like, YouTube be doing weird stuff. And even if you do turn on your post notifications and y'all don't get notified when I post, just make sure y'all check out my channel often, because YouTube and algorithms just, the internet just does weird stuff. Like, if you're not big and major popping, like, they try to play games with your content. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Your girl is out. Deuces.